Right, somewhere in here I'm looking for a gas cylinder for a special reason. And just in case, mini one. Right, now armed with that, let's go and test something. Okay, so the idea of the two pots with the two gas cylinders, one's Coleman's, one's Ghost system, they're both, was it butane and propane mix, which is ideal for camping and whatnot, because butane tends to freeze and slow right down. So that's the idea. But the main reason behind getting the cylinders is this little beauty. Okay, so FIREMAPLE approached me and said, would you be interested in looking and reviewing our pressure regulator cooking system, Polaris, whatever, anyway. So there you go, you can, I've not unboxed it, I've not took it out the wrapper, had a quick look at it, looked at the gas cylinder and thought, right, see if I got some of them. I have. So without further ado, let's unbox it and have a look what we got in the box. Well, right, that's very impressive already. Shall we look at the instructions? I think that wouldn't be a bad idea. Let me just pop this away. Right, okay, before I do put the box, let's have a look then. So it's a pressurized regulator valve, maintains a constant burner output under various environmental conditions. Hence, that's why we're in the wood. Super compact. Extra pot stands allows cooking with alternative pot. Oh, that's handy because I've bought one of their kettles, which I thought was very impressive as well. Let's have a look at the back then. Polaris pressurized red cooking system, camping cooking system, aluminium, stainless steel, copper, and okay, PA6. Unfolds, there we go. Weighs 22 ounces, 622 grams. Okay, drawing, we've got lid, handle, right. Okay, let's get into it, shall we? First of all, great little carrier bag. Put that in your pocket. Nice. You can see I've not even took the tag off or anything. Okay. Push. There we go. It's common sense actually. Okay, that automatically locks into place. Ah, this is the stand, I see. Well, we'll have a play with that in a bit. Empty box. Alright, so I'm not too sure which one of these it does take. Oh, we have electronic ignition as well. And a stand as well. Okay, we'll work all this out in a second. Okay, I was going to break the manual out, but we're going to have a look and see what fits anyway. So we've got two gas cylinders here of different types, different diameters. So that's a pot stand. They lock into position by looking at that. That's it, they lock. Oh, right, okay. Yes. Ah, sorry, let's have a look. Let's do that again. Okay. So, pot stand locks into position, and it does take, if you look, it sits on the inside, so that's the one size pot, and this is the large one which fits on the outside. I believe I do. Oh, it's quite a bloody, that's a bit, maybe a bit too big, this one. Hold on. Better off doing it by hand instead of on the table. Okay, so yes, that fits perfectly, so that makes it very stable. And then I take it you just pull out your valve. Now these containers are self-sealing, so when you undo it, it just self-seals. It looks like the rain has come to join us. And then putting the pot on, you've got 3 little nipples just there each side. Pop in and turn, and that's it. That's fully locked. Well, that's pretty straightforward, isn't it? Let's have a good look at this then. Look at the drawer in. I love that. Yep, that's impressive looking bit of kit. Alright, let's get some water and get it fired up. Okay, it's just starting to pour down. Let's just get this together. Pop the lid. I've got about half full. Turn the gas on. Woohoo! That's on full. Let's see a close up of that, shall we? Coffee time coming up. FIREMAPLE, I think you've done it again. I got to admit, I do like their stuff. It is very impressive. And I've got their kettle and I've got another burner as well, which I find is, the build quality is second to none. The flame it delivers when it hits it and then disperses at the base. And then hits these fins along the side. Oh, that's quick. That's quick. Look at that. That's steaming already. That's not even, that's 30 seconds. Wow, that's impressive. So this will be suitable for soup, pastas, stews. You name it, you can probably cook anything in this. Oh, very impressed. Lockable handle. 1 minute 10, full rolling boil. Time for a coffee. And you can simmer it right down as well. Look at that. I absolutely love this bit of kit. Look at that. Handle locks beautifully. To unlock the handle, just push it. That's it. There you go. We'll try that in a second. That is a game changer there. To have the option to put either another pan on or a frying pan, whatever you want, that makes a whole different, that's a whole different kettle of fish, as they say. But also you can use a smaller canister, which will bring it down if you're in your tent, which is not advisable, but if you've got a big tent and you've got somewhere you can cook in your tent, you know, these are all, this is, yeah. I mean, this next item's a bit overkill, but I mean, you could actually cook up for about 10 people on that with that pot. So that's what I mean by the game changer, as is the pot stand as well. So that is absolutely a must. Well, in my opinion, that is a must. Yeah, absolutely superb. Oh, thank you, FIREMAPLE. That's a thumbs up from me. That is a brilliant bit of kit. I am a little bit biased. I do like their stuff. I have got their kettle and I have got another stove. But yeah, I mean, that was so quick. Thank you very much. Take care. If you'd like the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. All the links for this item will be left in the description down below, also to the website as well, and to the Amazon link as well, all in the description down below. Take care. Thank you so much for watching if you did, and we'll definitely catch you in the next video. All the best. Just out of curiosity before we go, will it fit on top of the canister? Make sure that's cool before you touch it. Well. Actually self-contained and with its own gas cylinder if you buy the small one. There we go. Ready to go. Thanks once again, FIREMAPLE. All the best.